Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our title is Group Chat in FLUTTER app. Okay, now see the abstract of our project. The model of the project is that communication through the net is turning into very important recently. An internal communication permits the users to speak with the others during a quick, convenient manner. Considering this web communication application should be in a position share the text for the files during a quicker manner with the minimum delay or with the no delay. Firebase is one of all the platforms that provide a paid into for cloud service that permits the developer to run this application with the SA. Instead, electronic communication will be thought of as a platform to keep up the communication. Mechanically, man provides higher performer platform to develop the varied application for immediate electronic communication. Compared to alternative platform like iOS, the main objective of the paper is to gift a package application for the launching of the true time communication between operators or users. The system developed on mechanical man can alter the users to speak with another user through the text message with the assistance of net. The system needs each the device to be connected via net. Now we see the flowchart. First of all, for flowchart, when the app open in the start, then it's having the login screen. If you new user means go to the register, then register with the name, email, and password, and validate and you give the register. Press the register button means it's taking validate email. If the email and email format is correct and password ready, and go to the live go to the main page, login page or main page. Then enter if you go in the login page, then enter the email and do password. Then after go to the login page, first we not see no groups because we are the new user, so we do not see the no groups. If you create the group members, click the press first is not seeing any because we are the new user. If you create the group means click the X icon bottom of the page, and that's the name of floating icon. Then asking the group name and give the enter the group name and press the enter. Then group created successfully. The another user searches by group name. It's showing in the group name and click the add. Then chat with your group members. This is our app page. You enter the with the user ready sign in page. Register means register name. Example user 6 user 6 or gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. Register. If you are already having the username and password means just enter it user 5 at gmail.com, enter password 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I create group, first of all, there are two users on group 5 on user 5 and user 6. If you created in the user 6 or new group group 6 created successfully. If you search in user group 6 means searching group 6 admin user 6, you can join and successfully join. Now I send the message means hi. Then here like that. If if I send here means simply enter send there is the in this other side then send. Okay, understand. It's the group details who are all the users and how many users and group admin who is the group admin user 6 like that. This web page only we have this type and this groups and then log out. There is the icon button and simply log out. Thank you.